Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you sign up or how can you create a Spotify account. So to create a Spotify account, at first you need to download it from Play Store or App Store in your device. So go to Play Store or App Store and just search for Spotify, and you can just install it and create an account. But if you don't want to create an account from here, you can also create an account from any browser. So I'm going to Google browser, and after going to Google browser, just search for Spotify sign up. Now here you can see Spotify and sign up. Click on it. Click on sign up. Now from here you need to give your email address. So give your email address here. After giving your email address, click on next. Now here you can see password. You need to give a strong password here. After giving your password, just click on next. Now just give your name, and after that you can give your birth date. Now you can choose your gender and click on next. Just click on these conditions and click on sign up. Now your account has been created. All you need to do is just install Spotify and just log in with your account. So guys, that's it. That's how you can create account on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.